Which of these has the least carbs? A bread roll, a bowl of rice, or a soda can? Surprisingly, they all contain nearly the same amount of carbs, but why does that matter to you? Your brain is wired to crave carbs since it was a survival mechanism for humans thousands of years ago. But today, that same craving is secretly sabotaging your metabolism and weight loss efforts. Many people eat healthy grains and still struggle with energy crashes and stubborn fat. Here's the brutal truth. Over 32% of Americans have metabolic syndrome, a ticking health time bomb. Carbs are the silent trigger that can lead to insulin resistance and type 2 diabetes. Carbs come in two main types: simple sugars and complex carbs, but both influence your blood sugar. Simple sugars deliver a quick spike, while complex carbs break down more slowly, but they can still raise blood sugar. Your body turns all carbs into glucose, but fiber helps slow that process down. A crucial distinction: white bread and processed carbs spike your blood sugar just like soda, leading to energy crashes. Over time, this constant high blood sugar makes your body's cells resistant to insulin signals. This insulin resistance is the start of dangerous conditions like type 2 diabetes and obesity. Insulin resistance doesn't just affect your waistline, it shrinks your brain too. Studies link high-carb diets to faster cognitive decline and memory loss. Think of your cells like bouncers at a club: too much sugar and they stop letting anyone in. This process tanks your energy levels and increases fat storage. A double whammy. But the good news? You can reset your metabolism by changing how you eat carbs. Focusing on fiber-rich foods slows down glucose absorption and stabilizes blood sugar levels. Swapping high GI foods for lower ones like quinoa or green vegetables keeps your energy steady all day. Taking a brief walk after meals helps your muscles pull in glucose without insulin, boosting sensitivity. Regular movement also signals your body to become more insulin sensitive over time. Reducing carb intake and increasing fiber can dramatically improve your metabolic health. And remember, the smarter you eat, the better your body can regulate blood sugar and energy levels. When was the last time you ate something healthy, but still felt worse afterward? Want to learn more about controlling your carbs and avoiding sugar addiction? Hit like and subscribe now. Comment carbs below if you've tried keto and faced major energy crashes. You're not alone. Next up, the shocking link between your gut bacteria and sugar cravings. Stay tuned.